i35equipment.com. This is Caterpillar TH255C compact telescopic handler. Machine of many names, also known as a telehandler, off-road forklift. This cat has a full cab on it with a fan inside. Has that diesel motor. Excellent power. Can lift up to 5,500 pounds, if I remember correctly. Has a reach of 19 feet. Great machine to have on the job site or in the yard. Four-wheel drive, does have fenders on all four tires. There's the diesel operator's manual. One of the best features about this machine is that it has the Skidsteer universal attachment plate. So you can hook up to any Skidsteer attachment you want to hook up to. It also has auxiliary hydraulics up there for hooking up to a hydraulic attachment. Welcome you to come look it over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator or hire some local ones company if you like. We are open by appointment only though, so just give us a call to get on the calendar. Winner here is 405-833-6437. If you'd like a hauling quote, we do send equipment all over the country, so get it shipped to you shouldn't be an issue at all. Fill out the form on the website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that address with several local haulers and a nationwide broker. Get ready for this rate comes back to us. Also, welcome you to arrange for your own time or come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped. Specialty here is consignment sales, so if you or someone you know has idle equipment, just call our field form on the website to learn more about our consignment sales service. We have folks all over the country looking for good rated work equipment. We help you get your machinery sold. He's going through the 3 different steering options. He's got crab steer, front wheel steer, and all wheel steer. Alright, we're going to let him get it parked and hop out while we check out everything else and all the features on this machine. Like I said, universal skid steer attachment plate. You're just going to lift the lever up on both sides and then back out from it. Hook up to your next attachment. There's your auxiliary hydraulics. Where your hydraulic fluid goes. Hydraulic fluid is great. As I said earlier, it has 4 fenders. Fenders usually don't matter to people until it's a real muddy mess, and then they're super nice to have to keep the mud down. Thrown on you. This machine is actually built by Telehandler. All the specs and photos on our website at i35equipment.com. Trying to see what size tires these are for you. Check on your side here. Easier to see in the sunlight. We're looking at 305/75 D16.5 tires. Not require DEF. Always a great feature. Good mirror. Show you how this window opens and latches. So if you need to get some air in there or talk to someone, just tap it against there and it locks, latches. To unlatch, you just twist this lever. Close that back. And then when you're inside here, you can latch it back here. Good Caterpillar seat. That diesel operator's manual is behind the seat. stereo here. It did not come with one from the factory. There's your fan. This shade can be pulled forward or backward if you need more visibility or more sunshade. There's your equal here. Show you how, what level you're sitting at. Parking brakes here. The only two lights that are going to be on are your parking brake. We have parking brake on. You see that's turned off. We turn our parking brake off. And then it's showing you what your steering choice is there in green. Forward, neutral, reverse, super easy to operate. It's you just shift it and go. It's hydrostatic. There's no clutch, nothing weird, no shifting besides that. We did get the horn to work earlier. We looked at the wires on it. It's not working right this second. If you see, like there's just a little taking the wire there somewhere. Ignition is your plug, 12 volt for the fan here. Here's all your different controls, walking you through how to operate your forks, your boom, steering choice, port lights, windshield wiper fluid. This is for your heater and fan control. The fan is not operating. Set up from the factory to be here, but it's just not operating. I don't have any other information on it. These are your auxiliary hydraulics. This little button right here is what's going to switch it from your joystick from operating. It's always going to go up and down with this joystick. Let me zoom out. Up and down with this joystick, but the left and right function of the joystick change when you hit this toggle. So right now it's set left and right to change your tilt. You hit this button right here, and it's going to change it to telescopic. In and out. And still up and down, of course. Aside from that, I think the only other thing I can tell you would be that this button right here is for your auxiliary hydraulics. And that is actually what feeds your hydraulics. Appreciate you taking time to watch and see all the photos, all the specs, and our full and up-to-date inventory online at www.i35equipment.com. Have a great day.